This complaint was that files are going missing in Lakshya Municipal Council. Lokachi filing, whether it is trade license, transfer of house tax, birth correction. There are multiple files that after the applicant has filed. When the applicant comes for follow-up, तांकां ते फायली गावना आनी लोकांक सांगता की फायली शेणले म्हणून. सो त्या कारणाक ते हर फ्रायडे हांव वयता मुद्दम वयता म्युनिसिपालिटीन लोकांची कामां खातीर. And there were multiple complaints that day saying that फायल मेळना म्हणून. म्हाका म्हणून इन्क्वायरी न्हू ते कोण शेणयता म्हणून आमकांय खबर ना. आमी अमक्याचे फायल घेवन यो म्हटल्यार ती फायल एक 10-15 मिनटां भितर पावता सीओच्या टेबलाचेर. सो समवेअर somebody is playing some games. त्या कारणाक I have asked for a police inquiry to take place. No, any particular person. तर स्टाफ जाय तो आसा न्हू. I cannot name anybody कारण जर कोणाचें नाव घेतलें he is not involved, it will be a problem. No, I don't want to name.
कसली फायली मिस जाता? कसली फायली?
It is routine. थोडे कामाची फायली मिसिंग वयता. सो वेगवेगळे तरेचे फायली थंय मिसिंग जाता.
कितले कंप्लेंट्स आनी कितले फायल्स मिसिंग?
There is also apparently some person, outside person, who comes and looks through files and all. I don't want to take his name, but there has already been a तेजेर कंप्लेन चालू आसा, तेजेर इन्क्वायरी चालू आसा.
नंबर फायल कितले मिसिंग?
नो, दॅट वी कॅनॉट. आय डोंट हॅव द क्वांटम बिकॉज कोण आयल्या पळय म्हजे कडेन तितलीच फायली मिसिंग आसले म्हणून आमकां सांगल्या आनी आमी सांगले की फायली घेवन यो म्हणून 10 मिनटां भितर म्हजे कडेन पावना फायल जाल्यार पुलिसेक कंप्लेन करपाक लायता म्हणटा त्या मनशाक. सो देन इमिजिएटली द फायल समहाव अपियर्स. सो दिस हॅज बीन अ ट्रेंड फॉर सम टायम. So we have to get to the bottom of this and ensure that जायना म्हणून कितें निमाणे लोकांक त्रास जाता.
So what will be the reason you think?
I don't know.
स्टाफ करता काय भायलो कोण आउटसाइडर?
No, I don't. That is what apparently there is some video कोणे म्हाका दाखयलो हो मनीस येवन हे करता म्हणून फायली. But again I am not the person to comment on that. Let there be a proper inquiry.
After your intervention, file came.
After my intervention, within 10 minutes, that file came to Chief Officer's cabin. That is what I feel. Muddam लिपून दवरता or somebody is playing some games in that.
Sir, which files license?
ना तेजेर I don't really understand what it could be. But इथून कितें हांव एक सांगूंक सोदता की Chief Officer, Municipal Engineer 1 as well as full council including chairperson has given full support for this inquiry. There is also an attendance fraud where आमी door-to-door collection जावनी, garbage sweepers जावनी, म्युनिसिपल स्टाफ जावनी कोण देना कामां. सो अटेंडन्स शीट मागयल्यार सगळे प्रेझेंट दाखयता पूण थंय कामांक कोण आसना. कामांक कोण आसना म्हटल्यार वी कॅन सी लॉट ऑफ लॅप्सीस इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्लेनलीनेस ऑफ वॉर्ड्स, वेदर इट इज ड्राय वेस्ट जावं आमचे गार्डन वेस्ट जावं वेगवेगळे तरेचे वेस्ट जे आसता. प्रत्येक ward member has been allotted a day and a time. He gets a team of sweepers and cleaners who clean that entire area. तसलो लेबर तांकां सपोर्ट गावना. कावन्सिलरांक आपलो वॉर्ड नितळ दवरपा खातीर सपोर्ट गावना. So in this when we found out salaries are going every month to these people, but if people are not there on the field, what is the point of paying the salary? So in that I feel there is some manipulation going on in the attendance. So in that also inquiry I have requested.